So finally, it's the day when we will be packing our hospital bag now क्योंकि the time has come. तो हम पहले सारा बेबी का कवर कर लेते हैं and then let's move to
Then my baby.
mom. Oh, don't open everything. मैंने बहुत मेहनत से पैक किया है, रुक जा.
यही मेरा ऑफिस बैग होने वाला है आजकल.
When you use a wooden comb over here, so this distracts you from the actual pain and इसका जो acupressure पुराने ज़माने में you must have seen our moms tying their waist with sari का कपड़ा. So this is going to save your time. Anyway guys, the bag is packed.
Yes.
And we are all set now.
चलना है. Hey guys, welcome back to the Tarot Tales.
So finally, it's the day when we will be packing our hospital bag now क्योंकि the time has come and we need to be prepared for whenever the baby arrives now. तो हमने सारी चीजें पैक करके रखी है but we are going to show you everything one by one.
तन्वी ने बहुत सारा अरेंजमेंट कर लिया है. She knows everything.
So let's start with the baby essentials first. So firstly, I've arranged everything ऐसे travel organizers में. When I am not available, Rohan knows, parents know कि किस में क्या रखा है. तो मैंने सबको ऐसे बता के रखा है कि इसमें ये रखा है, इसमें ये रखा है, इसमें ये रखा है. So everybody knows. This is first the baby clothes. So basically इसमें baby clothes है. तो baby clothes हो गए, क्या बोलते हैं इसको?
Onesies.
Onesies. A few just t-shirts like this. Don't open everything. मैंने बहुत मेहनत से पैक किया है, रुक जा. We've carried langots also. Initial 1-2 months it's better to have langots for the baby and then maybe you can start with diapers in the night. So we've carried some langots also जो रात में लगने वाले हैं. And then we have some swaddle cloths here. Then we have the cap, hankies. All of that.
Hand gloves.
2 extra swaddle cloths. ये मैंने मंगवाया था Amazon से. And then these are some pure cotton clothes. सिर्फ ऊपर से पहनाते and then you just need to tie. So it's better for the baby basically. So the first bag that you're going to carry is going to be baby clothes, langots, swaddle cloth and the towel. So these 4 are the baby essentials that you'll have to carry to the hospital.
यही मेरा ऑफिस बैग होने वाला है आजकल.
ये क्या बात करता है यार.
Next we have is all the toiletries of the baby. तो हम पहले सारा baby का cover कर लेते हैं and then let's move to the
Then my baby.
mom. Oh, I technically don't think we're going to need all of this क्योंकि first 2 days usually बोलते हैं कि sponging ही करना चाहिए baby को till the umbilical cord is there. But we're still carrying it just in case the nurse says that you know we can start with the bath second day पे bath वगैरह. अगर 2-3 दिन रुकना पड़े तो इसीलिए we're carrying all this. So there's this baby lotion from Sebamed and then there's this massage oil and
और
there
guess
is
मसाज
this-
कौन करने वाला है?
Oh, now he's a pro. He has learnt it properly. He has learnt all the techniques now. Then we have this Aveeno baby wash and shampoo. Then that's about it. Then we have this baby nipple cream. I've heard a lot of good reviews about this, but फिर भी मैंने एक smaller version ही मंगवाया है. Before getting a bigger version, it's always better that you try this, and it's always available on Amazon, so I can always get a bigger size in this. This is the brand. ये हो गए essential toiletries सारे for the baby. So this is another very cute thing. Diaper changing mats and dry sheets. जो dry sheets आपने last vlog में देखा था वही है dry sheet. And then we have the dry sheets and this I will definitely recommend. This is so soft. This is the baby towel. And just look at the quality of this. Proper muslin cotton. It is beautiful. And then what we have is the diaper bag for the baby and the mom. For me this one and some breast pads. This is from the brand Love Lap. ये actually इतना आया है but since we're just going to stay there for 3 days so जितना required होगा उतना मैंने लिया है अभी. And the next one, this is the baby carrier and the nursing pillow. Now this is very important क्योंकि of course तुम्हारी बैक पेन के लिए ये सबसे ज्यादा जरूरी है.
बेबी का तो सब खत्म हो गया है.
ठीक है, done.
अभी बेबी की बेबी.
So now the baby products are done. Now let's move on to
मॉमी. बेबी की बेबी.
then we have is this. These are the wet wipes basically. It's from Mother's Sparsh.
ये एक्स्ट्रा बैग्स है
ये रोहन के लिए,
हाँ स्लीपर्स और
ये रोहन की।
बर्किन्स ऑल्सो।
इसमें तुझे जो रखना है तू रख।
हाँ मेरे लिए 2 ही छोड़े हैं।
I'm also carrying the breast pump. So my gynac had actually recommended the Spectra one, but that's way too expensive. So looked for another alternative on Amazon. Then I found this ProMom breast pump. Not a sponsored video, guys, but मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया है, so not going to give my reviews. But जितने reviews मैंने पढ़े हैं, they're really nice.
ये भी just in case.
No. So this is the outfit जो मैं अभी घर पे आते वक्त पहनूंगी. So this is from the brand called Mom to Be. I felt so bad कि Mom to Be के लिए कितने कम options है. And ये मैंने मतलब almost 3 हफ्ते में I was looking for a good outfit, but I couldn't find any. Then I realized.
नहीं, शायद से 4 महीने से ना हम इतने स्टोर्स घूमे हैं मॉम टू बी होम कमिंग आउटफिट के लिए.
They are those typical outfits. This also like I had to just like settle for it, but decent outfit. So like this comes with a chain of course for the breastfeeding and everything. तो ये मैंने लिया है. And this is a nursing gown just in case I need it because of course मेरी delivery अभी Cloud9 में होने वाली है and Cloud9 में they give the gown so you can't wear anything else for the 3 days that you're going to stay there. So I'm just carrying it just in case I need it. मेरे लिए इतना ज़्यादा कुछ कपड़े हैं नहीं वैसे. And a shawl अगर लगा तो and some nursing bras and then my makeup pouch of course जिसमें मैंने मेरा सारा मेकअप का सब कुछ रखा है जैसे लिपस्टिक हो गया, काजल हो गया and all the basic essentials and hair ties of course because this is a must. ये तो मैं मुझे लग रहा है 2-3 रोहन के हाथ में भी डालने वाली हूँ.
ये मेरे गाड़ी में भी रहता है. हर जगह रहता है.
So this, you know, just to make yourself feel good when you welcome the baby in this world. Visually, wow, I have such a beautiful mom.
Yes. ये तो मैंने ऑलरेडी बोला है उसको, वो सुना है इतना 9 महीने यही सुन रहा है वो.
And I have this wooden comb. ये मेरे पास already था. So I'll tell you. I have heard that at the time of delivery, when you use a wooden comb over here, so this distracts you from the actual pain and इसका जो acupressure.
Correct.
हाँ, क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Acupressure. So it really helps you at the time of delivery. So I have 2 of this actually, and ये मेरे घर पे ही था. So I'm just going to carry one of this at the time of delivery and see if it actually helps. Then we have the most essential part जो अभी तो कुछ बना नहीं है except for the 2 chargers. So we still have a week, so we're not putting anything. नहीं तो यहाँ पे क्या use करेंगे. But what you're going to need is your phone charger. Now this is very important. This is a peri bottle that you need in the hospital because you cannot use the normal jet spray. So yeah, you put water in this and you just squeeze this and the water comes from here because आपको पता है at the time of delivery you get your stitches and everything. So you know to save yourself from that pain of the jet spray, this is a must for all the pregnant ladies. And then I have is this. पुराने ज़माने में you must have seen our moms tying their waist with sari ka kapda. So this is going to save your time. This also I have ordered from Amazon and this is the waist belt which you know is super comfortable and very easy. ये तुम्हें किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है to you know help you with the belt. You can do it on your own also. This I got for I guess 440 rupees or something from Amazon and the brand name is Little Love, just in case you need to check it out. Like after the delivery you need to wear this. So मैं कितना बात कर रही हूँ?
तो लोग
I
सीख
think
रहे
you
हैं.
want to take over now.
क्या बच्चा क्या है इसमें?
For the father now, right?
Yes, thank you. आ गया finally father की
For the
बात.
father now, because Rohan still has to pack his items, but I'm still going to tell you. For the fathers, please carry open t-shirts because you know when the baby is born you have to do skin to skin with the baby. The fathers have to do skin to skin with the baby, not like this जो button वाले shirts रहते हैं. Please carry those shirts cotton वाले ताकि when the baby is born you can have the baby touch, feel your skin and yeah and of course the slippers क्योंकि बाहर के shoes and everything is not going to be allowed. And yeah, your charger and everything, brush हो गया, toiletries हो गए. I think apart from that you're good to go and something for your entertainment.
एंड ये
I
भी
think I'm enough for your entertainment.
यस, और ये भी कैरी करना एक पासपोर्ट बनाने वाला आदमी और एक वीजा बनाने वाला आदमी
No.
और चलो।
किधर?
कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
You can't travel with a newborn. Shut up. कुछ भी मत बोलो.
ठीक है।
And of course, husbands have to be there because you know they have to capture your photos every moment, the last moment with a baby bump before going in the room and everything. तो उनके लिए they make sure his phone is charged very properly and
क्योंकि इसकी ट्रेनिंग मेरी अभी 7-8 महीने से हो ही रही है। तनु ये हर बार बोलती है ये कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा तो भी ठीक है, ये हॉस्पिटल दे देगा, लेकिन वो होना ही चाहिए।
don't miss any moment because it's not for social media, it is for your own memories. You know, you can see those videos, those photos after 15 years, 20 years, whenever. क्योंकि हमारे टाइम पे नहीं था when the baby was born, immediately a picture of the baby. I have my baby pictures and videos, but that is when I was, you know, in the toddler phase or a newborn phase already. वैसे. So please keep your phones charged, husband, and capture as many memories of your wives as possible.
तो ये सभी बैग में डालना है।
Yes, अभी ये सब हम बैग में डालेंगे. So guys, now we're just going to pack everything in this. जो हम अभी हमने आपको दिखाया. And apart from the toiletries and taken everything now, ये मेरी almost 3-3.5 महीने की रिसर्च और मेहनत थी.
मुझे लगता है तुझे ही मैं इसमें डाल देता हूँ, बाकी सब हम लेके आएंगे।
So yeah, if you carry these things, I don't think you're going to need anything else. And thank me later, guys. Also,
थैंक मी, मतलब मैं ऐसे ही सब कुछ खोल रहा हूँ, दिखा रहा हूँ, बीच बीच में बोल रहा हूँ।
सच बता, तुझे इसमें से क्या बता?
ये अभी झगड़ा शुरू होगा इधर।
No, anyway.
हो गया पैक, चलना है?
नहीं.
बीच बीच में ऐसे कर रही है तू।
Anyway, guys, the bag is packed.
Yes.
And we are all set now to welcome the baby anytime. And yeah, अभी
चलना है?
नहीं.
अच्छा,
And yeah, that's about it. अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, please do like, share and subscribe. And
let's welcome the baby home.
see you guys. Bye.